This is a video that I wanted to do to talk to you guys about accessing your Treasury account to get yourself some shelters. There's a nice company called Atlas Shelters. I wanted to show you that. This company right here, I don't have anything with this guy, but maybe I should because I'm doing a video and promoting his stuff. But I've been looking at these shelters for quite a while, and this guy has the best thing going on right now. So if you have yourself some property, if you don't, get some and get yourself a shelter if you want to save you and your family. Get some ammo and some guns too, so you can protect yourselves, because the enemy is your government. All these corporate entities around the world. They're running all the governments out of Bern, Switzerland. It's ran by the elite bankers, and they want to get rid of us. They think we're slaves. And this goes back to a conversation I had with one of them many years ago, and he told me it's just like slave and master. Welcome to your new world order. So I don't forget these things. So I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm helping myself out. The things I've learned, I'm trying to show you. Anyways, see these shelters, they got them that go down to 40 to 50 feet too, and water sealed. And you're going to need this stuff because there's also a big climate shift coming. The water is going to go into the land from the ocean in the future here. So, at least set these up, not for yourself, for your children, but try to save your family. But these things, these bunkers are really amazing, including these ones too. They look like nothing, but when they pack them in gravel and put them in the ground right, they are really good. But I like the watertight ones the best. So let's get over here to the 1099s. Let's see, it's not here. There's many things I want to share with you here in this video. Okay. This is your acquisition or abandonment of secured property. This is how to access your trust, okay? And you got to make someone the trustee, and I was going to get into that because I know someone that will do it for you. She'll get the money, and so you don't have to convince these people what you're doing or that it's lawful or whatever. They're all brainwashed, you know what I'm saying? Maybe this bunker place knows what's going on. I don't know. Anyways, my name's David from the family of Steel. And I've been learning this stuff. I've been on this stuff for years now, but I didn't know how to do these properly until now. Anyway, so here's your acquisition and abandonment form, and you can either do these on paper. On the paper copies, you cannot print these. It won't work. There's actually a penalty for it. Or you can go here to this place right here, 1099 online, and you can fill them out on here. They charge for it, but it gets them right away there, and they usually IRS will accept them within a few days. So when you're filling this out, you might want to take a screenshot of this. It says United States Treasury. That's your lender because you're borrowing from your commissary account, or your miner's account, whatever you want to call it. And then there are EINs right here, and then you're going to put your EIN right here. And how I did mine was I put the name, your correct appellation, power, syntax, grammar, or Christian appellation, however you want to call it, like that. And then I put beneficiary on mine. And then you got to put the address on here. You put your account number or court case number. If you don't have anything, the software that will put it in, randomly put something in there. And then you got your date. You do the date where you're doing this. You're filling it out. And then you got your balance, which is how much it's going to be. And sometimes someone will charge you 10%. And the same amount goes here. Do not check this because then you'll be liable for payback on it. And this is whoever, the description of the property, whatever you're getting or whoever you're dealing with right here. It goes right here. Anyways, I'm going to come out of here. You might want to, I'm going to blow it up so you can take a good screenshot of it. There is a lady, her name is Alicia. I think it's, I can't remember the email address, but I'll try to add it to the video when I'm done here. This is another process I want to show you guys. Let me get out of here. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to tell you about the prerequisites for this too. You might want to, I mean, you should get this stuff done, and actually it'll save your ass. You want to do a Form 56. Let me find that. Oh, my videos. I have a lot of crap in here, excuse me. Form 56. It's back here, 1099. Modified Form 56. Here you go. I did not export this. That's the problem. Export. Modified Form 56. Let's go back into here. Here we go. You can find this on the Texas Freedom School or Family Guardian websites. I crossed out my information right here, but you want to do this and send it in. It's a federal trustee and public office. You got the all caps name, and it says federal trustee and public office. And then you got to put your identifying number right here. They put 111 Constitutional Avenue, 1 Northwest Washington, domicile public office pursuant to Fed RCIV P 17B. Then you put the address. I put Washington District of Criminals 2024 224 United States. And it says unenumerated private human being protected by the Constitution. I don't agree with that part, human being. I'm a private man. But and then you have federal slave plantation. And Babylon District of Criminals. You basically letting them know you know what they're doing. And down here is the most important: resignation as a compelled Social Security trustee. See attached. So I'm going to show you what goes on with this. And down here it says never lawfully appointed or elected to a public office. It is a crime to claim I do not claim I do, pursuant to 18 U.S.C. 912. Okay, the rest is pretty self-explanatory down below. And with that form, there's 2 other forms I would give, actually 3. I didn't grab a W8BEN, but you want to do a W8BEN as a beneficiary. Most of your forms right here will be on this Family Guardian website right here. You follow this procedure. And then here it is, resignation. This is on the Family Guardian website, or tax freedom forms, familyguardian.org. It says resignation of compelled Social Security trustee. I would definitely do this form or change it up a little bit, but it's very, very important you get this done. And then the affidavit of corporate denial, I would add that to it too. I believe these are the most important forms you can ever do in the W8BEN to protect yourself from the IRS and the government. You are not a government employee and you are not a U.S. citizen. You don't live in the District of Columbia. That is the United States. It's that in several laws. Excuse me, even in UCC code it says the debtor is there. None of these bills belong to you. None of it. It belongs to your trust. It's not you. The IRS is responsible for it. Whatever you do, you sign as beneficiary. Don't sign as trustee. I think a lot of people put that out there to get us all in trouble. Anyway, so I wanted to share that, and then there was one other thing I want to share with you. Let me find a W-4 form. If someone keeps saying that you owe them a debt, or somebody harms you, or a court, or whatever, you write up a contract and you send it to them stating that you are not the person. You are not the all caps name. That is not you, because every bill that comes in is in all caps. Or say you go into a store, they try to force you to take a mask or do a vaccine or whatever. You fill this form out as you're the beneficiary. You put the social security number in there, address. I wouldn't worry too much about this, but I would just put single or married filing jointly. I read the laws on excess return withholdings. You cannot go in as a joint return. Anyways, I wouldn't worry about this mumbo jumbo right here. What you're going to worry about and focus on is this right here. You see excess withholdings. Enter any additional tax you want withheld each pay period. You're going to put this number in, say 100,000 all the way up to $1 million. You know, about $900,99. You can do that. I wouldn't go over $1 million with these because they're going to raise eyebrows. And I would sign this as beneficiary. And this is the tricky part right here. Whomever it is that's harming you, you put their information in here and their name, and you put the date in here that they caused you trouble. And if you can get their EIN, great. If you can't, I mean, you can do that by requesting a W-9 form completely filled out. Anyways, you put that information in here, the name of the person, the business address, and you can do this for each employee or the owner or whatever of the business. And you send that to the IRS with the, you got to send them a certified letter. I mean, some people do it without it. I do it. I send them certified or registered mail stating that they injured you and you conditionally accept their agreement or what their terms. And you send them a copy of this W-4 form. And I guarantee you they're going to be shitting some Twinkies. Don't worry about this stuff down here. And you could put on there for their use till a later date. And then you could put on there too a clause that you want 35% when you decide to claim it. I claim mine at the end of the year because you know, some people injured me. So they're probably pooping Twinkies right now. Anyways, you can do this with courts, businesses that harm you, everything. I would really consider this one. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And if you guys are interested in having the trustee, you're going to have to do 1099As online, but she'll do the rest for you. Her name's Alicia, and I think it's a helping hand for you at gmail.com, but I'm going to check it out. I think it's a helping hand for you at gmail.com. It's her email. And this is no way construed to be legal advice or knowledge. It's just for educational purposes and a little bit of fun too if you get the humor in it. Anyways, I just want to protect my friends, family, and loved ones from the things that are coming down the pipe. And all of you can see they're getting worse. So on a serious note, this is for you guys, for all of us. And if anybody wants to come together and form an organization or nonprofit to help others, and even to come together to help each other, please let me know. And if you have any ideas on how to get this stuff out to the public and help them do their UCCs and help them with these documents, I mean, the ones who can pay will charge, but the ones who cannot pay, you know, we'll do it. We can do it for free or some trade, or to try and get them to help other people too. Anyways, may the Father of the All bless you. And I'm hoping this video reaches and is helpful for others. And if you need me to go more into it in detail, I'll be glad to. Just comment in the comment section. Anyways, God bless us all, and you guys have a nice day. Take care.